Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, this will bring you more customers. So, first things first, I have your website here on the screen, and after reviewing here on the home page, the first suggestion that I have to give you is to add more relevant content. In this case, I'm referring more to all the text that your website has over here, everything that is readable as text over here. For example, this here. And you may ask yourself, why is this important? Because when you add content in text and you add keyword that you want to be found for example, plumber in New Jersey or HVAC New Jersey, things like that. Those are considered keywords, but you need to surround them with relevant content. So when Google analyzes your website, they read through all of this, and it's not that a person, a human being, that is actually reading. No, they have like a software, and they read through all of this. And for you to make them understand that you provide plumbing services in New Jersey, and of course different types of keywords, for example, plumbers in Atlantic City or um, South Jersey, things like that, they need to understand all the content that is surrounding those keywords. When that happens, the chances for you to be found on Google are going to start increasing because you're telling Google, actually, um, I'm doing plumbing in New Jersey. So, in general words. So, the concept of having relevant content not only applies here to the homepage, but all the pages that you have here. For example, on water heaters. Let's see, we are here in Atlantic County. You have content here, but again, if you don't have the specific keywords that you tell Google that your services are plumbing or HVAC, you're not going to be found for that. That being said, I'm going to show you some numbers because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So for example, you're only being found for 21 keywords out of the entire website that you have, and and you have around 101 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other websites that are mentioned in your website or your business name, and this will give you power so you can be found in Google. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same thing happens here with backlinks, with the difference that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you should have based on your content, you're not going to see the result that you probably are trying to achieve. So that being said, let's take a look and see what keywords are being found for based on the content that your website has and based on the power that the backlinks that you have are giving you. So if we click on it, you are actually targeting your branding name, which is Voros Plumbing, and I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. And you're targeting for this, for the subpage, for the home page, and you're ranking number 2 on all of these, but it's not giving you too much of traffic. And is this bringing you clients? Probably not. So, for example, this one, plumbers in Gloucester County, New Jersey. There's 30 searches a month, and you are almost on the fifth page. Even though you seem to be climbing, you're not getting any visits to this specific sub page that you're targeting. So, this is probably because of the content that you have is not really it's not really relevant, and also the backlinks that are powering this are not really good quality. So this is probably why you're not even seeing any traffic for that specific keyword. And you can see here, same thing, plumbers in Atlantic County, New Jersey, 20 searches a month. and you're almost at the fifth page. So again, no traffic whatsoever. Other than that, let's see, Plumbing, Cape May, New Jersey, 20 searches a month. You're almost on the sixth page, even though you climb 8 spots, but again, nothing. So for the purpose of the video, we're gonna take these plumbers in Gloucester County, New Jersey, and let's go see who's ranking for this. So the first thing we're gonna see here, this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there, of course. Then you have your traditional Google ads. Some people like it, some people don't, but if you decide to try this, you're going to be really careful because there's a lot of factors that come into place that can actually get you the results that you want. Because if you don't know what you're doing, and even though Google makes it look easier for you to just set it up, um, you can end up investing a lot of money and not seeing the results that you probably are looking for. Then you have your map section, and this is based on your location, right? So your profile should be optimized. Your profile should be, if you have reviews, you need to interact with those reviews. You need to reply to those reviews. Even if they're 5 stars or 1 star, you need to reply to those reviews because that's what Google is looking for, that interaction. Then we have the organic results, of course. On number one, we have Yelp, which is a big directory. Then number two, they're targeting another subpage for Yelp. Number three, you got Yellow Pages, another directory. Then we have this directory, Prime Buyers uh, report.org. Again, another kind of a directory. But then at number five, we got these guys, hotchbees.com. Let's take a look and see why these guys are ranking number five. What are the benefits and what would you need to actually compete with these people over here, these guys? So the first thing you're going to notice, they're targeting that specific keyword to this page over here, to this sub page. And you can see, even though they don't have that much of content, this is good news for you because if you, let's say, double whatever they have on content here, if they have 300-400 words, if you have 800 words for this specific keyword, it could be, you can actually have a really good chance of start getting competing with these guys. But you can see that they're doing this um, plumbing and heating. This is why Google is recognizing that. So if we look on the numbers for this specific page, and I don't think I have this. Hold on, let me just refresh. Okay, well, we can see here that they're being found for over 3,000 words. And they have over 6,000 backlinks, which is quite a lot. And you can see that they understand the value of having good links. But let's take a look and see the keywords that they're being found for really quick. And nothing really here. Hold on. Okay, so now it's refreshed. Now, this is for the sub page, not for the home page, because that was for the entire website. But you can see just this page, they're being found for 7 keywords. They only have 1 backlink, but this is because the entire website is really powerful, so they don't need that much. And that's why you can see that even though they have a little bit of content, the popularity of the entire website is really high. So let's take a look and see how many visits they have because they're ranking for this specific keyword. We know that it's 30 searches a month. And because they're ranking number 6, well, this is not updated, but they're getting 2 visits each month for that specific keyword. So if you ask me, those are 2 chances every month of getting new clients. So you're not only limited for 1 keyword. Don't get me wrong. You can have, again, the chances for that. For example, let's see this one, Atlantic County, another 20 searches. You can actually start trying to rank for this keyword and see the results and try to convert those visits into possible clients. So basically what you need to do is to improve your content. You need to add those keywords that you want to be found for based on the areas and the services that you provide. And of course, you want to be popular in Google. You need to have really good quality backlinks to support your popularity in Google. If you don't, you're probably not going to see the results that you want, and you probably won't have the chance to have your website to be that important, that powerful tool for that can be for any business when it comes to bringing new customers. So, I really hope you find this information useful. I don't want to take too much of the time, so if you have any questions, please let us know. Once again, my name is Alex, and thank you for your time.